For my next video, I'd like to do one on the company Cotati, C-O-T-A-T-I. I'm probably demolishing that pronunciation, but C-O-T-A-T-I, and their hydration backpack. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing first and the information at the end. So you can read this if you'd like. It's just got a cap on the end of it. You pull the cap off. The nozzle end is there. You pull the nozzle end up, you take a drink, you close it. Pretty simple. Comes with 2 ankle straps in case you twist your ankle, whatever. So neat little addition. That's an ankle strap as well that I'll take out in the end. And then has a zipper, another pocket on the shoulder straps, and then here's the business end. This is where your bladder is at for the water or whatever you put in it. Okay, let's take this apart. Pretty simple, like all bladders. It's got one end as a screw cap that you can fill right there, and then the other end, there's the fill cap. It's nice they have it attached to it so you don't lose it. And then here's the cloth end. This pulls off, I believe. Let me make sure here. I don't want to break anything. I always worry about getting a new item and yanking on it so hard I break them. It always helps to read the instructions too. Here we go. Okay, you just pull this off hard, and then this goes up and down. Up for close, down for open, and you can see the little plunger in there that'll allow the water or whatever, the liquid, to go through. I shouldn't always say water, but... And let's see, what else do we have? Here are the ankle straps. So here's one that's just a plain strap, and then this one is actually made for your foot. So you put your foot in here and then you ankle it around, and they give you the instructions if you have a sprained ankle. Okay. And then let's see here, what else do we have? We have a pocket inside of the bladder pocket. For the hose, you want to run it around, and it has a loop just specifically for the hose to stay in place. So if you're running, jogging, you don't want that thing flapping all over the place. So very high quality build. There's another zipper, not a zipper, but the pieces move along a rail. It's a pretty neat little ability for them to move up and down. So that's our unboxing. Let's go ahead and get into some tech specs here. So I have to say this again, probably wrong, but it's a C-O-T-A-T-I, Cotata, maybe, Cotata hydration backpack running vest with 2 liters of water bladder, lightweight backpack for men, women, hiking, biking, cycling, whatever. Probably wouldn't look good if you brought this into your gym, but whatever floats your boat. Ultra lightweight and barely there design, crafted with featherweight materials and ergonomic fit for seamless, unrestricted movement. Has 2 liters of hydration with a push-pull bite valve, integrated 2-liter reservoir, and 1-touch push-pull valve for effortless hydration on the move. Free emergency ankle supports included. Comes with 2 compact ankle braces for instant injury support during emergencies. It's a breathable type of mesh cooling pack. The 3D ventilated mesh backpack promotes airflow to keep you cool and sweat-free. It's versatile and multi-active use, engineered for running, hiking, cycling, mountaineering, and across diverse terrains. So that's my video on Cotata hydration backpack. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.